Hey everyone, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can add an XML sitemap to a Google Search Console account. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Search Console account and from here, select the right property in which you want to add the XML sitemap. Once you've selected that, go to Sitemaps under Indexing. If you don't see sitemaps, then you can click this drop down. Click on Sitemaps. Now here you have to add your sitemap URL. For this website, here is the sitemap. You can see it has different sitemaps under the main sitemap. Now just copy the main sitemap URL from here. Come here, paste here. And now you can see that HTTPS and domain name is written already. So I can remove it from here. And just keep sitemap_index.xml and then click on submit. Sitemap submitted successfully. Dismiss, and you can see the status success. And Google has discovered 243 pages in this sitemap. So this is how you can add an XML sitemap to Google Search Console. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.